Alright, it's a lot of things to talk about today. I'm going to be announcing the giveaway winners towards the end of this video. I just hit 40,000 subscribers, which is just insane. And also, I'm going to be reviewing the Ewin gaming chair. It's just a lot, man. So let's just get started. So 40,000 subscribers. I woke up this morning and I was like completely amazed. And I got to say, thank you guys so much for all of your support. You know, a million times. Thank you so much for all your support. You know, without you guys, none of this would have been possible, and the legacy continues, the journey continues, the marathon continues. You know, 40,000 subscribers, we're getting closer and closer to 100,000. I cannot wait to hit that. You guys are really helping my dreams come true, and I really got to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for 40,000 subscribers. And I hit it on Halloween. It's just like every time I hit these milestones, I always hit them at a special day. Like today is Halloween. I hit it on Halloween. Then when I hit 30,000 subscribers, I graduated college. I was literally walking down the stadium and I hit 30,000 subscribers. I had my cap and gown on. I hit 30,000 subscribers. And that was in May this year. 20,000 was Labor Day. I was at a family barbecue. Then 10,000, I was actually in the office talking to my guidance counselor about dropping this class or, you know, asking for a transcript. But whatever the case may be, there's always a situation where I'm not here when I hit a big milestone. And for the first time ever, I'm actually here and I hit 40,000 subscribers. But it's on Halloween, so I guess that's the special occasion. But anyway, all of that out the way, let's talk about the Ewin gaming chair. And I gotta tell you guys, I've been missing out on gaming chairs. Like, gaming chairs are the wave. Like, this chair feels so comfortable. Like, it's literally hugging me right now. So you see this little curve? It's like it's hugging me. Like I'm sitting down in the cloud right now. You can adjust the armrest to your liking, so you can actually move it to you or move it away from you. Now, Ewin sells a bunch of chairs. They have the Call-In series. They have the Champion series, which is this one. They have the Night series. They have the Flash series. It's a lot of chairs that they have on their website, so it depends on your height, your weight. For my weight and my height, this is the best chair to choose. The pillow, it rests by my neck perfectly, and if you're watching a movie, you have that pillow. This chair is fantastic. Like, words cannot even describe on how much I love this chair so much. And thank you, Ewin, so much for sending over this chair. I was watching a bunch of videos, and they were saying the pillow doesn't really make that much of a difference, but it definitely does. You can feel there's no pillow there. This pillow definitely enhances the comfort. And if you're having those intense games, you can actually pull your chair forward or backward. So look, I can move my chair all the way forward, or I can even rest it all the way back. So, and you don't have to worry about falling down. I can lay all the way down with no problems, and I can pull my chair all the way up. Now, my previous gaming chair, which was a generic Staples gaming chair, that ain't nothing compared to this one. Now, even looking at the design of this, it looks stunning. I gotta say, thank you guys so much for voting. Like, you guys are awesome. I'm gonna throw all the comments on screen who said left or right. I was trying to decide between either right or left, this diamond looking one versus this generic Cayman looking chair one that looks curvy. And honestly, the right one kicks the left's butt. Now you guys are probably looking at the chair like, yo, I thought you chose blue, but last minute, the last second, I chose red because think about it. Black and red just goes together so well than blue and black. Blue and black is gonna pop, but not as poppy as the black and red. And I think I made a fantastic choice by picking black and red. The stitching is on point. You have this diamond pattern. It looks stunning, guys. Now, this is PU leather, but we all know real leather, it doesn't really last as long. And when you gaming, you sweat a lot maybe, and that leather and that sweat is not going to go along well. It's going to start to peel up and it's going to damage throughout time. So PU leather for gaming chairs is appropriate. It also has the cold cure foam, so it's firm. The seat feels firm. I don't want anything too soft when it comes down to chairs and stuff, because I feel like when you sit down in a really soft chair, it can be too soft to the point where you're sliding down and it's just not going to feel comfortable. But with firm chairs, in my opinion, I just feel more comfortable. Now, I am having a little trouble with the seat height. I probably got to go back. Maybe I'm missing a step, or maybe I'm missing a tool. I'm actually going to go back during this B-roll right now and see what's the problem. And you don't have to worry about falling down because the chair is really stable. You're not going to have to worry about falling back. And of course, the wheels are very, very stylish. I like the red accent on the wheels. It matches well with the chair, of course. And it's really, really rolly. even though I'm on carpet. But this chair here, it looks different. You know, it looks like a race car. It looks like something that, you know, you might race in a Ferrari or a Lamborghini. You know what I mean? Now, I decided to take off the lumbar, but I'm going to give it another chance because I'm not really a fan of things on my back. But I'm going to give it a chance. And actually trying it on right now, real time, I have the lumbar here. It doesn't feel too bad. But I just feel like, yeah, it actually don't feel too bad. But when I was playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare, I actually took off the lumbar so I could sit all the way back with my back part without having the lumbar in the way. And at that moment, it felt a little bit more comfortable. But I think if I'm just casually sitting down, I think the lumbar might come into play. So when I'm gaming, I don't really like to have things on my back, really. But I do like the pillow. I'm going to always keep this pillow on there. But I'm going to put it back on. But when I'm playing games like Call of Duty, Mortal Kombat, those intensive games, I tend to not really like to have the lumbar. And by the way, I had this chair for like 3 days, been using it, playing video games, watching YouTube. Haven't watched Netflix in a while. I gotta get back on my Netflix game. Now, Ewin is marketing this as a gaming chair, of course, and also as an office chair. So it doesn't matter if you're a gamer or not. So it doesn't matter. Now, if you don't want the flashy colors, like I said, you don't have to go with this. You can go with an all black one. But I like the red. It stands out nice and it just pops. I feel like I've been missing out. You know what I mean? I feel like I've been missing out. To be able to adjust, you know what I mean? To adjust and go back. Like that is just like, man, I couldn't do that on my Staples gaming chair. To be able to adjust the armrest, that is just a big deal for me. And even the pillow to add an extra comfort is a huge deal. So I've been missing out, guys, and I'm pretty sure you guys are missing out too. So if you have a chair and you want an upgrade, Ewin is the best way to go. This is definitely a stamp of a Pops approval. That's the most important thing to have in your office, or it's the most important thing to have as a gamer. You want to have a comfortable chair. If you use code SimplyPops, you get 30% off. So 30% off on all Ewin gaming chairs. This is something that you guys are going to see on all my videos, hands down. I'm throwing a link in the description to the same exact chair if you guys are interested. But like I said, you can use the code on any chair and get 30% off. So that is an amazing deal. Then I'm actually not doing nothing this year, Halloween. Last year, I went to a college party. The year before that, I went to another college party. But this year, I'm actually staying home for Halloween. I wanted to do something this year, but it was last minute planning. Easily, my favorite Halloween was easily either last year or the year before that. I might even give the slight edge the year before that because I was having trouble getting into this party.
This is crazy. I know, we're supposed to be in. I had a costume on. A fireman, he's a hockey player. Will Smith, you get it? He's a Will Smith.
The Sharks.
Mills.
The Sharks, man.
No violent, none of that. We're trying to have fun.
Yeah, man. Let us in, man.
So like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'm going to be announcing the giveaway winners once I hit 40,000 subscribers. And today, on Halloween Day, we hit 40,000 subscribers, which is just insane. So I gathered up all 11 names. Now there was some comments that was talking about the video, and then there was a little bit of the percentage was commenting on like, yo, I want to win, but they didn't like the picture on my Instagram page. They didn't comment their Instagram, so I just couldn't add them on the list. So all 11 names are qualified to win. Now if you guys notice, I didn't say or mention who's gonna win what. You get what I'm saying? I didn't say that. Since I mentioned the Echo Dot first, I'm going to be casting the winner of that first. And second, I'm going to be casting the winner for the Fit Tracker. And then last but not least, the grand finale, like I said on that previous video, is going to be the AirPods, the knockoff AirPods. I want to say that low, the knockoff AirPods. You know in those little commercials, they have like the small text? You get what I'm saying? That's like whispering something. So I have a spin the wheel here. We're doing something interesting and different. We're not using like a random comment picker. So are you guys ready for the first spin? I know I am. I'm ready for this first spin. So this is for the Echo Dot. Who's going to win the Echo Dot? This is the first spin. So 3, 2, 1, spin. Oh, no, wait. Yeah. All right. We still click the spin. I thought it was like a real spin mechanic. Oh, it still went. Woo! It's intensive. All right, we have a winner. That is actually cut off because I wanted to block out anything like the browser and all that. But anyway, Pablo, you won the Echo Dot. So I'm going to be shipping this out to you. DM me your address and I'll ship it out to you as soon as possible. All right. So we're gonna remove that name. So he's not gonna win anything else. Well, he won the Echo Dot Array, so he's off. So now we got the fitness tracker. So this is really good. You know, you guys probably looking at it like on some BS, but this is a really good watch. You can see all your text messages from your phone. It's really like an Apple Watch. All right, so I'm gonna click the wheel. I thought you can really spin it, but anyway, let's go. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Oh, get it! Yo. And I don't know if you guys can hear the applause, but so my boy Kishan, you won the fitness tracker. Now, I know a lot of people want to win the AirPods, and maybe my next giveaway. Don't feel discouraged. Don't feel discouraged. Maybe my next giveaway, I'm gonna give away AirPods again. You know what I mean? It's like a guessing game. All right, so I removed Christian off the wheel. And honestly, even if you didn't want the fitness tracker, at least you won something. This is the moment you all been waiting for. The AirPods. The AirPods knockoff. This is it. This is it. All right. Fingers are crossed. I'm praying for you guys. So this is for the AirPods. Oh! Oh! Yo! I thought my boy Shad was gonna win that one. It started moving just a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright, so my boy John, you won. I'm saying his name right? I know John has like an H on there, but John. John. I'm sorry if I'm messing up your name. You won the AirPods. DM me what color you want. You want the black, the matte black, the jet black. They have the green, the blue. They have a bunch of colors on the website. I'm gonna send you the link. Just make sure you DM me your address, and I will. No, I'm getting mad Twitter notifications, and then I will send out those AirPods to you. And those knockoff AirPods are really good. I'm telling you guys, man. I'm using them from time to time. Right now, I'm not using them because I'm using the AirPods Pro, but those knockoffs are really good. If I'm giving something a Pops approval, that's definitely something that you guys should check out. Alright, so John, you won the AirPods. Alright guys, that pretty much concludes today's video. Once again, thank you so much Ewin for sending out this gaming chair for me to review. They didn't pay me a dime to say any good things about it. They didn't even pay me a dime at all. They just send over the chair and I'm just reviewing it. That's it. You get what I'm saying? I'm just reviewing it. But nonetheless, thank you guys so much for 40,000 subscribers. More giveaways to come, more videos to come, more content to come. Everything is going to be fantastic on this channel. And make sure you guys use code SimplyPops to get 30% off on Ewin gaming chairs. I highly recommend it. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on. And happy Halloween.